A low testosterone level is a culprit for erectile dysfunction, depression, low sex drive, decreased muscle mass, irritability, and fatigue. Testosterone is the male sex hormone responsible for regulating libido, sperm count, fat distribution, bone health, and muscle mass. This essential hormone is produced in large amounts by the testicles in men, as well as in small quantities by the adrenal glands in both men and women. While having sex boosts testosterone levels in the short term, it's not a valid treatment for low testosterone, and it doesn't really have any effect on your overall testosterone levels. Usually medical treatment involves hormone therapy and medication, but you may want to try these natural remedies first. We would start by looking at some dietary changes. Most times we underestimate the effect of our diet on our body. But you see, our diet in the long run has an undeniable impact on our bodies. And surely a poor diet will affect your testosterone level. Improving your diet could help set you back on track. Start with following a healthy, balanced diet. A balanced diet is generally healthy for testosterone level and reproductive health. Incorporate having fruits and veggies once or twice a day. Carbohydrates are essential for testosterone production. It's much better to get your carbohydrates from starchy tubers such as squash, potatoes, yams, pumpkin, rather than grains such as wheat, pasta, and bread. Also drink enough water each day, between 5 to 7 glass cups of water. In addition, endeavor to get plenty of zinc and vitamin D every day, because deficiency of either of these nutrients can cause low testosterone. Some healthy sources of vitamin D are eggs, fish, liver, red meat, and fortified foods. While sources of zinc include beans, red meat, nuts, whole grains, and shellfish. There are also supplements that contains both zinc and vitamin D that you can take. Stick to healthy fat rather than unsaturated fat. In other words, cut down on unsaturated fats such as artificial sweeteners, margarines and fried processed foods, because they are unhealthy, and more so, to your testosterone level. Also take magnesium supplements and omega-3 fatty acids, like vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, and legumes, because they increase testicular volume. Avoid soda and other sugary drinks. Learn to check the nutrition labels on all the food you buy, and you will be shocked the amount of sugar contained in some processed food and drink items. Excessive drinking could also reduce your testosterone levels, so drink alcohol in moderation. Some lifestyle changes that could boost your testosterone level are: lose weight if you are overweight. Reduce stress by finding time out to relax often. Exercise regularly, as this will help release more testosterone. The exercise shouldn't be intense, but it should be consistent. Get plenty of sleep. Inadequate sleep over time would tamper with your level. So put off your TV and phone screen and get some quality sleep. If any of the above doesn't help or trigger an improvement, then it may be time to seek professional help. Medical options that exist out there are: testosterone replacement therapy. This type of therapy will depend on what your doctor thinks is best for you. Secondly, you may have to opt in for testosterone injections. This is usually every 2 weeks. Thirdly, testosterone pellets treatment. How this works is by a doctor or medical professional inserting a small pellet containing testosterone under the skin, which will dissolve over time and release hormones. Finally, you can apply testosterone gel or patches. This will cause testosterone to travel from your skin into your body. You should consult a doctor or have a prescription so you don't take too much. Let's quickly run through some points I have shared in this video. If you notice you experience erectile dysfunction, depression, low sex drive, fatigue, irritability, and decreased muscle mass, which most likely indicates low testosterone level, then 1. Start with sticking to a healthy, balanced diet. 2. Consume more carbohydrates from squash, potatoes, yams and pumpkin. 3. Drink 5 to 7 or even 8 cups of water every day. 4. Get plenty of zinc and vitamin D. 5. Cut down on unsaturated or trans fats such as artificial sweeteners, margarines and fried processed foods. 6. Increase your magnesium supplements and omega-3 fatty acids intake. 7. Avoid soda and other sugary drinks. 8. Drink alcohol in moderation. Lose weight, reduce stress, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Stay in touch with your doctor and start more conventional treatments. Just in any case, natural steps don't work. For more valuable health tips, check out our other videos. Until tomorrow when I release another valuable video, I remain your host, Master Panda.